Hey, what's up guys? So my dad's 50th birthday is coming up, and a 50th birthday is like a big deal. So I really wanted to go all out for my dad and buy him something really special. So I'm here with my mom. We're in the car right now. We're right outside of a Chevy dealer, and we're gonna go in there and possibly buy a Corvette for him for his birthday. So we're gonna go and see if we can do this and pull it off. I hope he enjoys his gift. Okay, so we finally made a decision, and this is gonna be the car that I buy my dad. It's the red Z06. My dad is honestly gonna fall in love with this car. I can't wait for his reaction. Alright, so I just got home. Dad, come outside really quick. Cover your eyes.
What?
Cover your eyes.
He's gonna scare you.
What you doing?
Mom, make sure his eyes are closed.
Carl, he's gonna walk down the steps, stop. I'll break his ankle.
Okay. Watch out, Dad. You're stepping, you're stepping, you're stepping, you're stepping, you're stepping, you're stepping, you're stepping. That's a Corvette. That's a Z06. I bought you a Z06.
You fucking kidding me?
Brand new, 2016.
Are you nuts?
I bought you this brand new car for your birthday. Happy birthday, Dad.
Oh my god.
You're gonna love that. I drove on the way home. It's sick.
Are you nuts?
It's brand new. It's brand new.
Yeah, why am I driving in the rain anyway?
You drove it?
No, Mom didn't drive it. I drove it home.
Fine over here, man.
It's brand new Z06. You like it? We spent the entire day planning this.
Fucking nuts. I can't. Are you fucking nuts?
Not here.
What is wrong with you?
Oh. Yeah, it's Z06. 650 horsepower. 8 speed. This thing's a beast.
I'm lost. I'm lost for words. Get out of here, man. You're nuts.
You like it?
Yeah, it's a lot of money, dude. Are you kidding me?
It's okay, I love you. It's your birthday gift.
Christ.